Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Honor 600. So first, what you guys want to do is remove screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied perfectly and is going off to the edges or the sides of the phone, no matter which direction, then we want to make sure that it's applied perfectly because sometimes it may touch your screen to become unresponsive or less responsive. As you guys can see, for example, here I'm not able to move anything, and I opened it because you need to actually swipe like this. So as you guys can see, it's basically not working. So that's what can the not applied perfectly screen protector do. And for the case, I do not have one, but if you do have a case and it's covering the bezel, the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then it can go over it and simply make the same output. So we don't want it. We want to make sure that our screen protector is applied perfectly and the case is well made. Now next, what we want to do is we want to clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So I got the cloth right here. Now all we have to do is swipe it 2 or 3 times and the screen is shiny. We get rid of any moisture, any fingerprints, and etc. so that the screen is back to its old self. Now what we want to do is we want to force restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume up button, and keep on holding it. Now press the power button and the volume down button. And do not mind the screenshot, you can delete that later, but we need to hold it for at least 10 seconds. Basically, whenever our screen goes black, now we can let go. And as you guys can see, the Honor logo is loading, the phone is turning back on, and force restart is quite faster than the normal restart. Soon we should see our lock screen appearing. And after force restarting our phone, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software. So now all we're waiting for right now is for the phone to turn back on. And we're gonna enter the pin after restart. Now we're gonna go over to settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down until we see system and updates. Here we tap on software update right up top here, and it's checking for updates automatically. I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was helpful, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.